Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're having a good day out there. If you're new here, please hit subscribe down below. It will help me out tremendously and it's always free. Hit the little notification bell, select all to know when I upload next. Sometimes if you hit personalize, people aren't always getting their notices. YouTube, we need to fix that problem. Everybody's wondering what I have on my nails here. This is from Modelones Shinny Snowflake. I believe this was in their Santa Days collection. I can link that down for you below, and I'll have a new set sent to me by Modelones. And anytime you use modelones.com, if you use my link below, it'll automatically apply my discount code of Nails of Interest, saves you at least 10%, and helps me get more products and perhaps more giveaways for you. So that would be wonderful if you could share that around. If you use the link, it should apply it, but just in case, you can check the coupon code area and make sure Nails of Interest is spelled out for you. And there's always going to be some special things going on and events. And if you ever use our item, I'll put down below their Instagram and their Facebook. You can tag them and you might get featured. So today I have the Charming Dots collection by Modelones. I have 3 more collections. I'll put the videos up here. These are gorgeous packaging. It has about their community. It has, tips for applying it. Everything you need to know. All the ingredients are inside this box. They have all their certifications. These are the 10 milliliter bottles. These are those cute bottles. I'm gonna get them out and show you. Okay, this is the first bottle. This is number 19. Let's see what is in here. Look at how these cute bottles are. And I have found the ones that come in this bottle do ombre so nicely. I will put 2 coats on of every color and a top coat by the end of the video. And each of these will be cured for 30 seconds in the lamp that I have listed down below. Okay, color number 2, this cute bottle, is number 20. Next up is number 21. I'm assuming from the color it's a gray. Next up is number 22. You can see how they're matching pretty well to what's on the label. Next up we have color number 23. I'm guessing glitter because it's, yes, look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's something I would wear right now. You could put it on really thin. I'm trying to see if there's, base color to it, and there is. Oh, I love a glitter. Bronzy, rose goldy color. Oh, put a little bit more on because it's a sheerer color. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, that's my favorite one so far. And then it skips from 23 to 30. Oh, and look, I bet it's another glitter. A silver, yay. I love glitters. I love especially these fine glitters. You can still draw with them, yet they're glitter. Who doesn't love a glitter? I'm taking a little more time swatching it on because I don't have any base coat on, and I didn't wipe these down with alcohol, so if any of I touched it and there's oils on there, well then it wouldn't sit very well. So all of these are getting cured for 30 seconds. I'll put a second coat on and then a top coat from Modelones. Okay everyone, you're ready to see them with 2 coats cured each with a layer of Modelones top coat. This is the glossy top coat. This is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 30. I think you can tell which 2 are my favorite. What are your favorites? To me, this would make an awesome fall set. I think I'm going to take some pictures of them with glossy and with matte top coat, especially these 4. so that you can see what they look like and in different lighting. I use a pure white light to film, and sometimes a little bit yellower light gives you a better idea of what they look like in daylight. These are very, very cute. I mean, cute bottles. Only thing I do notice, for those of you that have polish racks, they are just a tad bit taller than their traditional, everybody's traditional 10 milliliter bottle. So just keep that in mind. You may want to just adjust your polish shelf to give you a little more room if you don't have it. But I love, love, love how they sit right next to each other. Don't waste any space. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Like I said, please use the link below or the code Nails of Interest to save yourself some money and hopefully help sponsor this channel a little bit. I would really, really, really appreciate it. I know they're doing a great giveaway for me right now, and I'd like to give them some love back and let them know that it came from me. During the month of April 2020, they are giving a free mask, and I'll put the code down below. It's free with any purchase. It could be one bottle of polish. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.